Namaste and welcome to this advanced Kapalbhati or Agni Shuddhi practice. Today we go beyond breath control into deep energetic transformation, combining mantra, focused inner gaze, and the sacred visualization of fire. This practice ignites the solar energy within, purifying the Nadis, clearing mental fog, awakening inner power, and fueling higher states of awareness. If you are ready to go beyond the physical into the energetic depth of Kapalbhati, let's begin. In this advanced practice, we will integrate three key elements. First, the focused inner gaze, keeping the eyes diluted, directing focus to the tip of the nose, but having eyes gently closed. This softens the visual field, bringing the mind into deep focus and opening through the eye nerves deeper channels within the brain. Second, the mantra, mentally repeating Om Ram Namah, each syllable in tune with an exhalation. Ram is the seed of fire, fueling Manipura, the solar plexus chakra. Just like Ram purifies the fire, Om and Namah purify and infuse Ram. Third, the fire visualization, seeing yourself as flame. The body dissolves first into bright red and orange flames, then into light, burning away impurities, illuminating awareness. Find a comfortable seated cross-legged posture, Siddhasana, Padmasana, or sitting on your heels in Vajrasana. Keep your spine erect, hands resting on your knees, palms downward. Now, gently shift your gaze downward toward the tip of your nose and softly close your eyes while keeping them crossed. This will come naturally after some time and should not involve strains. This allows your visual field to blur, dissolving the outer world. Bring your awareness inward, resting at the space of stillness. Open nadis to the flow of prana from lower into the higher chakras. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale fully, relaxing into your body. Bring your awareness to your solar plexus, Manipura Chakra, the center of personal power. The mantra Om Ram Namah awakens its fire. Visualize a flame burning at the height of your navel, growing with each exhalation. Now, let's enter the practice. We will begin with forceful exhalations through the nose, keeping a slow and steady rhythm, like keeping a flame burning on a constant level. The inhale happens naturally and passive as you release the belly. With each exhalation, mentally repeat one syllable of the given mantra. Om Ram Na Ma. Om Ram Na Ma. Om Ram Na Ma. Feel the mantra resonate in your core, igniting and growing the sacred flame Agni, flowing through the Nadis and purifying them, finally reaching the third eye, the Agni Chakra. Let's inhale and begin the first round, 30 strokes. Stop. Take a deep breath in and hold. Visualize yourself as fire. Your body is no longer flesh, only luminous, crackling flames. And release. Come back to your natural breathing rhythm for a few moments. Every exhale expands this fire, burning away limitations. Every inhale draws prana into your furnace, making the flames brighter. Observe the transformation within. Let's move into our second round, 40 strokes, maintaining the same rhythm, breath, mantra, and fire awareness. We inhale and start. Stop. Take a deep breath in and hold. Bring your attention to your third eye and visualize your nadis and vital body are bathing in purifying fire. And release completely. Relax into your natural breathing rhythm. We will now Enter the final round, 50 strokes. Exhale with power, igniting the flames. Inhale with awareness, drawing in cosmic energy. Maintain the tip of the nose gaze, dissolving from fire into pure light. Let's begin. Stop. Focusing on your third eye, take a deep breath in, drawing all the energy with your breath upwards, and hold for as long as you are feeling comfortable. Become fire. Now release all effort. Let go of any breath control. Simply observe the inner space settling into stillness. Feel the warmth circulating within. Notice the heightened clarity in your mind. Rest in the radiant silence of pure light and awareness. Stay here, letting the energy settle naturally. From here, we can move into Shavasana, in the best case, without opening our eyes. Slowly move your fingers and toes, coming back to your physical body. Stretch your arms over your head. And when you feel ready, roll onto your left side into the fetus position. Slowly come back into a seated position and straighten your back. This practice is a gateway to deeper transformation. Fire is not just heat, it is purification, illumination, and inner power. The more you refine this practice, the more you awaken inner radiance and strength. If you felt the energy shift within, share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe for more advanced yogic practices, and I'll see you in the next session. Namaste.